Premier Li Keqiang said Thursday China lowers its economic growth target in 2015, but aims to achieve better quality growth, as the government is endeavoring to maintain a proper balance between ensuring steady growth and making structural adjustments. The world's second-largest economy targets its growth of approximately 7% in 2015, lower than the goal of around 7.5% in 2014, according to a government work report delivered by Li at the Parliament's annual session. In the 35 years between 1978 and 2013, annual growth of the Chinese economy averaged close to 10%. Growth decelerated 7.7% in 2012 and 2013. Li said the target growth rate of approximately 7% takes into consideration what is needed and what is possible. He said this target is both aligned with the goal of finishing building a moderately prosperous society in all respects and is appropriate in terms of the need to grow and upgrade the economy.
以这样的速度保持较长时期的发展，实现现代化的物质基础就会更加雄厚。
To aid the economic growth, China will continue to implement a proactive fiscal policy and prudent monetary policy this year, noting policy flexibility. The country will raise its budget deficit to 2.3% of its gross domestic product, or GDP, for 2015, up from last year's target of 2.1%. The report notes the broad money supply, or M2, is forecast to grow by around 12% this year, lower than the target of around 13% of 2014. But the actual money supply may be slightly higher than this projection, depending on the needs of the economic development. Li said the aim of maintaining stable growth is to ensure employment. China aims to create more than 10 million urban jobs and ensure that the registered urban unemployment rate does not rise above 4.5% in 2015.
我们要把握好总体要求，着眼于保持中高速增长，迈向中高端水平双目标。
It was the first time that an important official document features the double medium to highs. The report, which was delivered to the parliament for examination, said China needs to rely on both the traditional and new engines of growth. China will invest more than 800 billion yuan, or 130 billion US dollars, in railway construction in 2015, and meanwhile the investment in the major water conservancy projects under construction will exceed 800 billion yuan this year.